In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play Helldivers 2 on a PlayStation 4 and whether or not it is possible to do this. If you have been a fan of Helldivers, you might be excited to know that Helldivers 2 is finally out, and you want to know if it is possible to play it on a PlayStation 4. So what you may try to do is either go to the PlayStation Store website as I'm demonstrating this video, or go to the PlayStation Store directly on your PlayStation 4 console. Because this is a newly released game, it is going to be available all over the PlayStation Store and you shouldn't have any trouble finding it. Or if you don't see it, you can use the search function and browse through its page. In here they have screenshots, videos featuring the game. You will be able to see all the description, all the images, all the videos, etc. You can either buy the game as Standard Edition, where only the full game is included, or the Super Citizen version, where, alongside the full game, you will also get a lot of bonuses, so for veterans of the series, this might be a worthwhile purchase. Now, let's answer the question in the title of this video. Is it possible to play it on a PlayStation 4? You will notice that at the bottom of the page, they only have a picture of a PlayStation 5 here, and if you scroll all the way up, they only say that it is available on a PlayStation 5 and PC. Even if you were to search for Helldivers 2 PlayStation 4 Edition, or maybe a downgraded version, you wouldn't be able to find anything. Unfortunately, we are in the middle of a generation shift, and most newer titles being released are not being released for the PlayStation 4 alongside the PlayStation 5. They are PlayStation 5 exclusives, and it is no different for Helldivers 2. Unfortunately, if you only have a PlayStation 4, it is impossible to play Helldivers 2. You need to purchase a PlayStation 5 to play this title and many others. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that because Helldivers 2 needs a lot of decent hardware, the devs probably deemed the game not able to be ran on a PlayStation 4, so it was released exclusively for PlayStation 5 and PC. If you want to play the game, you have to run it on one of these two platforms. It is impossible to run it on a PlayStation 4. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.